I will have that. My 20-year self woke up at the backpackers' hotel. I was excited, and at the same time, naively certain that I was capable of living by my own in a new country. And how not to feel so confident? The same language and the same Latin American cultural values. I walked with all my self-reliance in the hotel's cafeteria to get the usual free continental breakfast. While I was filling my plate with a bunch of fruits and pastries, I took pleasure in watching the linguistic confusion and the demanding attitude of the foreigner tourist. I was not one of them. No travel guide, no dictionary, and no need for an identity reinforcement, like the English guy that was asking for a malt vinegar for his fries. A very attentive waiter passed near me and asked if I wanted some juice. I said yes, and I asked, "What flavor is it?" The young man answered, "Naranjilla." The word that he said sounded like naranja, what in Spanish means orange. The sound of that word triggered in my head the sweet and slightly tangy flavor of an orange. You know what I mean. We all have had an orange juice. Food has the capacity to zoom up and transmit a situation. It constitutes an information. It signifies. Then my taste spots were ready for the sweet, sour, citric taste with bumpy texture. I was so stuck in my single-story preconception that I did not pay attention to the green, kale color of my beverage. I drank it, and the thick, sour liquid in my mouth shocked me. In an instant, I discovered the taste of confusion and astonishment. It never occurred to me that naranjilla was not the same as naranja. I was faced with my own cultural blindness. "Is everything okay?" the waiter inquired. I swallowed at once the green gulp and my pride, and I said, "I have never tried an orange juice like this." The guy just laughed and said, "No, these are not oranges. These are naranjillas. And we have a tree in the back." "Can I see it?" "Yes, let me show you." I grabbed the rest of my drink and I walked, not just in a family backyard, but in their lives and traditions. Thank you to an uncommon flavor, I got the precious opportunity to share an intimate moment with someone. He showed me the fruit and the many ways in which they use it. And he shared the story of his family and the tree. I'm glad I did not reject the first sip of that juice, because I would have rejected everything they love. Since then, I have the sense that in every bite that I have, there is somebody talking to me. We are not just what we eat constructs who we are.